The game starts with the big ball getting thrown in. You can see on the sidelines, we have a red and green team, and then we have a no jersey team. The point of the game is to get the big ball or the Avalanche over the other team's sideline. So red and green are trying to kick the ball over the colors. They are using only their hands and feet. And the sideline is the defense. That's a corner kick. No point scored there because it went between the two teams. Notice hands and feet only. Everybody's staying on their bottoms. Teams cannot grab onto the ball. Right there. Sideline scored on sideline. That does not count. The score has to come from somebody on the scooters. Each team has 2 people out on the scooters. And that would be a score for the no jersey team. You do not want points in this game. So if it goes over your head, you have a point against your team. And they're attacking. And point against the red and green team. So it's now 1-1. Ball comes back in. Brian, off your knees! And that would be a corner kick. It went in between at the cones. They've played for approximately 2 minutes. We say next group. The next 2 from each team come in, get their scooters. Spread out on your sidelines. Spread out. And once Dorian sits down, the game is ready to go. Ball gets put back in. And now we attack. Students, get off your knees! Get off your knees! Brian, off your knees. At that point, Brian would have been put into the penalty box for his team because he was on his knees for too long. Game continues. Again, you do not want the ball to go over your team's head. You do not want points in this game. You cannot do headers, and you cannot grab onto the skin of the ball.